Hello, dear friends. Today, we're stepping into an imaginary bakery where the scent of fresh bread permeates the air. But we're not here just to enjoy the aroma, we're here to knead away our stress. Let's begin by closing our eyes and taking a deep breath. Can you smell the yeasty promise of freshly baked bread? Good. Imagine a dough resting on the countertop in front of you. Don't worry about the ingredients, they're not necessary. This is our stress dough, as sticky, lumpy, or smooth as you want it to be. Reach out your hands and plunge them into the dough. Feel the texture, the temperature. Is it soft? Perhaps it's a little tough, requiring a bit more kneading. As we knead the dough, imagine each push, each fold taking away a bit of your stress, your worries. Put your stress into the dough, then knead it away. Feel the tension leaving your body and going into the dough. Now, shape the dough. It can be a baguette, a loaf, a pretzel, whatever you fancy. And as you shape it, shape your thoughts too. Craft them into something positive, something that brings a smile to your face. When you're ready, place your creation in the oven. Feel the warmth as you open the oven door, but remember not to burn your imaginary fingers. As our stress bread bakes, let's sit back and take a few deep breaths. Our baking time is up. You open the oven and take out the bread. It's perfect. All that stress kneaded and baked away into this beautiful loaf. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You've just kneaded away your stress in our imaginary bakery, and the best part is, there are no dishes to clean up. Until next time, whenever you feel stressed, remember our imaginary bakery, where we knead away our worries and bake them into a crusty, delicious brioche. And as always, keep that smile on.